Okay, now I'm left-handed, so unfortunately it's going to be difficult for me to do a full demonstration of this guitar, but we will test the pickups in each position and have a quick inspection of the neck. So what I would do first is just put the guitar in middle position where both pickups are on, open up the volume and tone, and just take your hands away from the guitar. Now if you're hearing any noise, any fuzz or electrical interference, it's probably a 60 cycle hum, which is from lights and electrical appliances you'll normally find around the house. If that is the case, you may want to take the back off the guitar again, open up the electronics cavity and just check your ground circuit is correct. You may have a loose wire, there may be some strands of wire causing that problem. Now, next thing I'll do is pop the guitar in each position and just check the volume's working, the tone's working. The very last thing I would do is just check the neck itself. So up and down the neck on each string at each fret, and just listen for any fret buzz or anything that's going to impede your playing. And if you do notice any problems like that, you need to put the guitar back up on the bench and either adjust your action or introduce some more neck relief to the guitar. Okay, so that's pretty much the end of the process. Hopefully you've enjoyed following along and have a completed STH guitar kit in your hands like me. Thanks for watching.